Hello guys, welcome back to We Keep It Simple, Easy and Absolutely Delicious. If you are new here, my name is Omi, and for today's recipe we are making a simple pizza recipe but even better. It is super simple, very soft and absolutely delicious. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and share with your fellow fit lovers. Thank you. Let's get right into it.